I'm Gabrielle, managing editor at HelloFresh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect asparagus. But because at HelloFresh we believe cooking should be easy, I'm going to show you how to do it in 60 seconds or less. To start, preheat a baking sheet in a 425-degree oven. Sounds strange, but it'll all make sense in a second. Once the oven is preheated and the baking sheet is super hot, take it out, toss the asparagus on the hot baking sheet with olive oil, salt, and pepper. It should sizzle as soon as it hits the pan. Asparagus comes in all shapes and sizes, so roast it for 10 to 15 minutes until it's just tender. It'll finish cooking when you take it out of the oven, so make sure you're not letting it go too long. If you want to go the extra mile, you can top it with shaved parm, lemon zest, balsamic, or toasted walnuts. I really hope that you try this at home. This method, even though it's so easy, will give you the perfect asparagus.